Okay, so now it's 6 o'clock on Monday morning. I did these on Sunday, and they're quite a bit dry. I've got 10 trays of tomatoes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate my trays so that the bottom comes up to the top, and all that does is that works with the temperature gauge that I have in this machine. On this lower level, there was the red peppers, and there they are, and they're looking really good. You just don't want to you want to make sure you don't get them burnt. And there is my kale, and so the kale is coming along just fine. It's almost, actually it's pretty much done. I'm going to probably put it back on a real low heat for a couple of hours, and that'll be taking care of all my vegetables. And then I'm going to come back, and I've got some mango and apples, and I've got some pears, and I've got some bananas, and you can see that they're ripe, which is great, but I slice them real thin. You can work it with a mandolin, lay them out on the tray, and they'll dry out, and they make delicious snacks. Enjoy yourself dehydrating.